19. Charging additional lubricant. Charging amount is determined by two factors. The first factor is the quantity of compressors replaced. For replacement of one compressor, 1.5 liters lubricant should be added. The second factor is the drawn amount from each part. The charging amount should be equal to or a little larger than the drawn amount. The amount of the first factor and second factor is the total charging amount. GMV5 series units use FVC68D and FV68H oil. Make sure to confirm the type of the oil first. Oil of other types is not allowed. Vacuuming for 30 minutes or longer before adding oil. Connect a rubber hose to the oil check valve at one end and put the other end of the rubber hose into an oil container. Keep on vacuuming and open the oil check valve. The lubricant will be inhaled into the system by pressure. If the oil is not enough, repeat the above procedures until the system has enough oil. After a required amount of lubricant is added, close the oil charging valve to ensure tightness. After adding lubricant, please continue vacuuming.